Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the instant breakfast recipe by using leftover rice. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To make this easiest recipe, we need boiled rice 2 cup, grated coconut 1/2 cup, besan 1/4 cup, cumin 1 tablespoon, curry leaves few, little hing or asafoetida, oil, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, ginger 1/2 inch and green chilli 1, salt as per taste, coriander leaves, 1 medium size onion. First, we will mash the rice using a mixer grinder. To a mixer jar, add the boiled rice and grind it without adding water. Don't grind it into a fine paste, just grind them into a coarse paste. The texture of the paste must be as shown as in the video. To the coarse rice paste, add finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander leaves, turmeric powder, salt as per taste, besan or gram flour, finely chopped curry leaves, cumin seeds, grated coconut, hing or asafoetida, finely chopped ginger and green chilli, mix it well without pouring the water. Mix the contents tightly as shown as in the video. To a butter paper, apply little amount of oil and spread it. You can also use banana leaf, and that is the best option to make this breakfast recipe. And if you don't have butter paper or banana leaf, then you can use any milk packets. Take some amount of the mixture and place it on the butter paper, and with help of the water tap it using your fingers. Next, we will apply little amount of oil to the heated tawa. And slowly remove the roti and place it on the tawa. And cook it. Do not add too much of oil, just add little amount of oil to the edges and top of the rotis. One side is cooked well, flip over the roti and cook it to another side. And the instant, tasty and quick breakfast is ready to be served. I hope you are going to enjoy it. If you like this recipe, give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.